everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. Today we're going to take a look at another new main attraction style for 2023. This one is FLASHDANCE in the color Nutmeg. You're not going to want to miss these details coming up. I purchased this style with my own funds. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. It will be labeled Main Attractions FLASHDANCE. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Main Attractions FLASHDANCE is a stunning long layered cut with some beautiful movement and some sexy volume. But first, let's cover this color real quick. This is Nutmeg, one of my favorite colors in that Main Attraction brand. There's quite a bit going on. It's a very dimensional shade, but typically you're going to see it start with a light golden brown. But within that, you're going to see some strawberry and some gold blonde. I think this is on the warm side. And it is not rooted. It just beautifully shows off any kind of texture, layering, curls. So let's take a look at this style though. I can't wait to dig into this with you because I just put it on this morning and I couldn't believe how quickly it has come to life for me. So I just gave it a couple of shakes, applied it, sort of found a parting space that I'm happy with. This is an open cap, but it does have a little bit of monofilament at the crown. I am really growing to love that monofilament crown on wig styles because instead of filling in with permatease, giving you a natural hump kind of there at the crown, you're actually going to get a more realistic indentation and hair growth pattern right there at the crown. So I do like that. Plus the fact that it is open cap gives me multiple options for parting. Right now it just is a parted a little bit left of center. This 4.5 inch fringe, yes, 4.5. Isn't that flattering? I think this fringe is just eminently more flattering than something that's say 9, 10, 11 inches because it just goes around the eyes. It kind of does some framing of the eyes. Plus this additional layering kind of swoops in and just gives this a beautiful long shag appeal, which I think is ultimately, I call these my anti-aging wigs because they're just so flattering. So overall, this is about 17 inches. And you're going to find all of these little brush textured layers. The density of this one is more on the average to thick side. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I think it's because of the flips and bends and movement, but what it does, it gives it this lush body. So even as I move it around, you can see the swingy movement. Maybe that's why it's the flash dance, because you just want to toss it around. It's such a sexy style. And so affordable. That's where the value comes in. Talking about permatease. Now this one weighs about 4.8 ounces and it does feature quite a bit of permatease. So because it is an open top, you're going to find a lot of permatease on the top, the soft pillowy kind, all throughout the back and nape on this. Not so much right there at the temple above the ear tab. But I like to say that this is all the right amounts in all the right places. So without permatease, you would not get this beautiful silhouette. This flash dance style is made from regular synthetic. It is not heat friendly. Each one of these fibers is a little bit on the fine side. It moves and behaves much like natural hair, the hair we wish we all had from birth, right? So coming up, I'm going to give you an inside look at the cap, and don't miss the styling segment. This really puts a nice cap on the review because you'll get to know it just that much better, having had all the knowledge of the specs and everything. It's time to bring it to life. Let's take a look at the inside of the cap then for Main Attractions Flash Dance. So there you see it has a beautiful, comfortable velvet piece right there at the front with a hidden weft to give you a nice natural looking hairline, open wefts on the top, and there is that oval piece of monofilament right at the crown. I think that gives a really nice natural look there at that crown area. And then you have a velvet covered ear tab with long sturdy stays there. And just a standard nape with Velcro style adjusters, lots of wefting and lots of stretch. You'll notice that I had to make a maximum adjustment for this to fit my petite average circumference. True to the Main Attraction brand, I feel like it's most suitable for average to average large. I love a nice sexy cut with my sunshades. And this will give us a good opportunity to see how they fit. The glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab on this style. And I am definitely ready for some sun. So I'm just going to move this around a little bit for you so that you can get to know the style. Everybody enjoy their day. We'll see you again real soon right here at Taz's Wig Closet.